Hey guys, so welcome back, and if you are new, welcome, and it is so good to have you, and I hope you'll consider subscribing before you leave. Today's video is a Dollar General 5 off 25, and it is for Saturday, June 30th. So guys, before we start this breakdown, I just want to tell you this video is in a collaboration with Ashley the Homemaker. I will have her link in the description box down below. Go over and check her channel out, show her some love, tell her that Lakin sent you, and I promise guys, you are absolutely going to love her. So the first thing you are going to want to pick up is the Chic Intuition. It is priced at $7.50, and we have that $5 off digital. The Gain detergent at $3.95 with the $2 off digital. The Gain fabric softener $3.95 with a $2 off digital. The Silky Touch Big Razors $3 with a $2 off digital. The Purino Alpo, it is the T-bone treats. They are $1, and we have the $1 off 2 digital. The Tide Simply at $2.95, and we have the $1 off digital. The Always liners at $3 with the $2 off digital. So your total is going to come to $26.35. Use your 5 off 25 and your $15 in digital coupons. That's going to bring your total down to $6.35 or 79 cents each. Guys, this is a great deal for what you are getting. Again, guys, don't forget to go check out Ashley's channel. I know that you are absolutely going to adore her and love her just like I do. She has a huge personality. Again, her link is going to be in the description box. So guys, with that being said, thank you so much for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, and happy couponing, guys, from my home to yours. Bye, guys.